Ever really watch a construction site? Beyond the noise and dust, there's a kind of magic happening. It's the sound of progress, something rising from nothing, a testament to teamwork and grit. Across the country, people are building projects that will redefine our skylines and change how we live. This isn't just about concrete and steel, it's about ambition and collaboration. We're talking about mega projects, structures so bold you can't help but stop and stare. These feats of engineering push the limits of what's possible, from cloud-touching towers to bridges that are works of art. The scale is staggering. Every piece, every person has a critical role. When it all comes together, it's more than a building, it's a landmark, a symbol of a city's ambition. These projects are happening right now, built by people unafraid of hard work. Let's take a tour of some of the most incredible projects taking shape in the US today. We'll see what makes them special, who's building them, and why they matter. This is a story of innovation, teamwork, and the power of building something that lasts. Forget the virtual world for a minute. The real world is where the most amazing things are being created. So look up. The future is being built right before our eyes. Let's get to the heart of what's happening on the ground. Welcome to the new age of American construction. The skyscraper is pure American ambition, a race to the top that shaped our cities for over a century. From Chicago to New York, we've always looked at the sky and thought, let's build higher. That spirit is alive today, with architects and engineers pushing boundaries using smarter, greener technology. Today's skyscrapers aren't just tall, they're marvels of efficiency, with green roofs, smart windows, and sustainable systems. Building one is a high-stakes game, thousands of feet in the air, demanding precision and courage. Ironworkers and crane operators see the city from a perspective most of us never will. Their work is a dance of machinery and muscle, piecing together these vertical puzzles. When a new skyscraper rises, it becomes a city's new center of gravity, drawing in business, creating jobs, and becoming a landmark. These towers are more than steel and glass. They're vertical neighborhoods, symbols of growth and confidence. They show the world a city is thriving and still reaching for new heights. The American skyscraper isn't just a building, it's a bold declaration of who we are. And the view from the top, unmatched. That's the spirit of American construction. In Houston, Texas, they build big, and the new J.P. Morgan Chase Tower is set to be the tallest in the state. Soaring over 1,000 feet, this 60-story giant will redefine the Houston skyline. But it's not just about height. This tower is designed for the future, powered entirely by renewable energy, with a focus on air quality, natural light, and green spaces. At its base, a massive open-air plaza will create a new public space for the community. Building it is a logistical ballet-deep foundations, a concrete core, and a steel skeleton rising floor by floor. Thousands of truckloads of materials, all delivered with precision, and an army of skilled tradespeople bringing the vision to life. When complete, it'll be more than an office. It'll be a symbol of Houston's ambition and a catalyst for downtown's future. For the city, it's a new star on the skyline. For the builders, it's a legacy of skill and hard work. This is Houston's next landmark, and it's happening right now. Bridges are the unsung heroes of our infrastructure, connecting people, communities, and commerce. Today we're in a new golden age of bridge building with designs that are stronger, more durable, and breathtakingly beautiful. Building a modern bridge is a massive challenge, often over water or busy roads, demanding flawless engineering. Foundations are sunk deep, then the structure rises piece by piece until both sides meet in the middle. It's a team effort, designers, engineers, welders, ironworkers, and heavy equipment operators all working in sync. Amidst the chaos of a job site, there's incredible precision. Every rivet and weld must be perfect. The safety of millions depends on it. When a new bridge opens, it can transform a region, cutting commutes, easing congestion, and sparking economic growth. But it's more than functional. A beautiful bridge becomes a city's symbol, a source of pride. It's a reminder that we can overcome barriers and connect with one another. Modern bridges are functional sculptures, statements of what we can achieve. They're built to last, inspire, and unite. That's the art of the modern bridge. In Los Angeles, the new 6th Street Viaduct is more than a bridge. It's a game changer. Replacing a crumbling Hollywood icon, the city built something special, the Ribbon of Light. 10 pairs of sweeping concrete arches span the LA River, railroads and freeways, glowing with LED lights at night. It's designed for people too. with wide lanes for pedestrians and cyclists, and plans for a 12-acre park below. Building it was monumental. Years of planning, massive cranes lifting arch sections, all over one of the busiest corridors in the country. The engineering is state-of-the-art, with seismic systems to withstand earthquakes. The impact? It's reconnected neighborhoods, become a destination, and created a new public square for LA. People come to walk, bike, and take in the view. The viaduct is proof that infrastructure can be inspiring and beautiful. It's a source of civic pride, bringing a diverse city together. The 6th Street Viaduct isn't just a bridge, it's LA's new landmark, and it's already changing the city. There's nothing like the energy of a packed stadium, modern-day coliseums where communities unite. Today's stadiums are high-tech entertainment palaces, designed for unforgettable fan experiences. Think retractable roofs, massive video boards, and all-day destinations with great food, Wi-Fi, and comfort. Building one is epic. Massive excavations, complex foundations, and the dramatic assembly of steel trusses for retractable roofs. It takes years, billions of dollars, and thousands of workers to bring these cathedrals of sport to life. A new stadium is a huge economic engine, creating jobs, hosting major events, and putting a city on the global stage. It can revitalize neighborhoods and become a symbol of a city's identity. These aren't just places to watch a game. They're community hubs. Stadiums of the future are about more than sports. They're about connection, pride, and progress. They show what's possible when we dream big. And for fans, they're the ultimate home field. That's the future of stadiums. In Buffalo, football is a way of life. And a new Highmark Stadium is rising to match that passion. This state-of-the-art NFL venue is designed for the fans, with stacked seating for an intense atmosphere and a huge canopy to shield from Buffalo's wild weather. It's a thoughtful blend of grit and comfort, honoring tradition while embracing the future. The project is one of the largest in Western New York's history, employing thousands of local workers. Building a stadium is like building a small city. Complex systems, perfect precision. For Buffalo, it means jobs, economic growth, and a symbol of revitalization. When it opens, it'll be a new home for generations of fans and a testament to the city's spirit. This isn't just a stadium for the team, it's for the whole community. It's about pride, tradition, and building something that lasts. Buffalo's future is taking shape, one steel beam at a time. Behind every mega project is a symphony of human effort. Thousands of people, each with specialized skills, working toward a single goal. It starts with a vision, architects and engineers crafting the blueprint, running calculations, and testing every detail. Their meticulous planning is the invisible foundation of every project. Then come the builders, crane operators, ironworkers, electricians, plumbers, and more. Each trade is a section of the orchestra, with the site superintendent as conductor. It's a dance of complexity and danger, demanding skill, strength, and a deep respect for safety. Everyone looks out for each other, communicating through hand signals and shouts over the roar of machinery. They work through heat, cold, and long hours, driven by pride in their craft. The reward? Pointing at a new landmark and saying, "I helped build that." It's a legacy written in concrete and steel. Teamwork is the real foundation of every great structure. That's the heart of American construction. These massive projects are more than just structures. They're investments in our communities and our future. A new bridge carries commerce and connects families. A skyscraper becomes a hub of innovation and opportunity. They're engines that power our cities forward and inspire us to dream bigger. Construction sites are places of unity. People from all backgrounds working together to build something real and lasting. It's a powerful lesson, especially for young people. Big dreams are achievable through hard work and collaboration. We need the next generation of builders, skilled, passionate, and ready to shape tomorrow. These are honorable careers, building both a life and a nation. Mega projects remind us of the dignity of work and the importance of mastering a skill. The people building these structures are artists and problem solvers. Our society depends on them. Next time you pass a construction site, see the ambition, the teamwork, the future taking shape. These projects signal a healthy, optimistic, forward-looking country. We are a nation of builders. It's who we've always been. And by the looks of it, we're just getting started. The future is rising, one project at a time.